Okay, so before we start to cook this dish, those are the ingredients we have to prepare. I will introduce each one. Here, this is a piece of green onion, and I'll show you the whole piece. How does it look like? Okay, look at my green onion. It's really big. And this thing in Chinese, we call it 大葱. Okay, this is 大葱. And we will prepare 2 tomatoes. Chinese, we say 西红柿. This is like 2 eggs. In Chinese, we say 鸡蛋. So for this dish, we have 2 steps, okay? First step, we're gonna blanch the tomato. Second one is like we will stir fry the egg and plus the tomato and done this dish. Let's go to next step. Before we blanch these tomatoes, we will cut a crossing on the top and the bottom. This step is for taking out the skin of the tomato. So after we stir fry, we will get the pure, really tasty tomato flesh. Okay, we get a pot, boiling the water, we add the tomato into the pot. Okay, in the middle of the process, we will turn it over. You can see the skin is off already. Okay, we will take out the tomato, add it into the cold water, because that can make us peel the skin very easily. Okay, next we will peel the Okay, ta-da! I will take out my Chinese cleaver, 中式大菜刀. Okay, next we will dice the tomatoes. This dish is very classic, but you know, when you go outside, you order this dish in the restaurant, it could be not tasty. It has many reasons. Maybe because the tomato is not so ripe, and also in the restaurant, the chef cook this dish because people are waiting, so they don't have time to cook it a bit more longer. The taste not combined. I mean the tomato and the egg. Okay, next I will cut my scallion, green onion, any shape, okay? Next we will whisk the egg. And every time if we whisk the egg, in Chinese cooking way, we will add a bit of salt. Later we will deep fry the egg. And some Americans say deep fried egg doesn't tasty. I want to let you know is like in Chinese cooking, we do both. And the one you guys make, like the crumbled eggs, we make it. And the deep fried egg also really tasty. Smells so good. Okay, let's go to next step. Okay, we add the oil to the pot. I want to let you know is like the most commonly used oil in China. That is like, for example, lard, grape oil, like walnut oil, or like peanut oil, and we also have like the corn oil. Those are the commonly used. Okay, we heat up the oil. You can see it's a little bit smoky, and then we will add the egg. Ooh, if you never tried the deep fried egg, you should try because it's really fluffy and very flavorful. Okay, like this. So successful. Haha. 非常成功. Next, we will move the egg away and we add the tomato. Okay, use our spatula to break the egg and mix up with the tomato. You can see after you take off the skin, or can I use skin? Or after we peel the tomato, the sauce comes out easily. That can make this dish more tasty. Almost done. Later on, we add the green onion. The green onion's function of this dish is like some people may find the egg has an odd taste. So if we add the scallion or the green onion, it can remove that types of taste, only left the very savory or flavorful taste of the egg. Okay, a bit of salt and a touch of MSG. In China, we have a fight, like people from the south or people from the north. When we are cooking the tomato egg, we have a fight. Some people think they should add sugar. Some people think we shouldn't add the sugar. The one I make, I don't like use the sugar. Okay? Done. We can take it out. Ta-da! This very tasty, easy homemade dish, tomato eggs, 西红柿炒鸡蛋, is finished.